Continuation of letters Yoruba alphabet.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn the next 5 letters in Yoruba alphabet. In our previous video, we learned the first 5 letters in Yoruba alphabet, which are A, B, D, A, A. Say it.
A B D A A.
Good job. Let's move on to the next 5 letters after the first 5 letters discussed in our previous video. The sixth letter in Yoruba alphabet is Fi.
Fi
Fi.
Fi
Fi.
Fi
That is the sixth letter in Yoruba alphabet. And the seventh letter is Gi.
Gi
Gi.
Gi
Take note, the seventh letter is called G and not G. Take note, G, and the next letter is
B.
B
The eighth letter is B.
B
B.
B
B.
B
Ninth letter is He.
He
He.
He
He.
He
And the 10th letter is E.
He
E.
E
He.
E
E.
E
Now we have learned the first 10 letters in Yoruba alphabet.
A B D A F
Fi, Gi, Bi, Hi, E. Again.
A B D A F
Fi, Gi, Bi, Hi, E.
A B D A A F G B He E. Make sure you practice at home. See you in my next video. Oh, double.